Hello, fellow traders!
They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
I am the Fear, and today we will explore how the RSI indicator can help identify profitable entry points in the market. This tool is a real game changer for anyone who wants to trade with confidence and consistency. But of course, RSI is not the only ingredient for successful trading. If you are looking to go beyond just watching the market and start earning, join our team. We will share the best trading practices, accurate signals, and give you access to professional tools. All you need to do is take the first step. The links are waiting for you in the description. Ready? Let's dive in and see how to turn $50 into something much bigger. Settings. Starting amount $50. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration time 3 minutes. Indicator RSI. GBP USD. Let's start with a simple but promising setup. The RSI indicator shows movement toward the 70 mark without reaching it. This is a clear signal to buy. I'm investing $50 in an upward trade, as I see growing buying momentum. Do you know what can make your trading easier? Copy trading. Connect to My Trades, and the system handles everything for you. Set your parameters and enjoy the results. Simple, convenient, and effective. The link is in the description, is waiting for you. The price moved upward as expected. It's such a great feeling when the mark validates your analysis. The trade closed with a profit of $96, a fantastic start. The GBP-JPY pair shows interesting behavior. After hitting a historical high, the price pulled back to the 30 mark on the RSI before reversing upward. This is a strong signal to buy, and I'm investing $96 in an upward trade. Do you like it when everything works effortlessly? Copy trading is your perfect tool. My trades are automatically copied to your account while you go about your day. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description. The price moved upward, confirming my expectations. My balance is now $184. Everything is going according to plan. EUR-USD. On this pair, I see consolidation with a channel forming. The RSI suggests that the best move now is to sell. I'm investing $184 in a downward trade, expecting the price to continue moving within the channel. If you want to stop spending hours analyzing the market, try My Robot. It does everything for you, analyzes the market, combines data, and delivers ready-to-use signals. Just enjoy the results. The link is in the description, is waiting for you. The price moved downward just as predicted. The trade closed with a profit of $353. The strategy is working. CAD-CHF. Once again, the RSI indicator provides a clear signal. The curve is moving toward the 70 mark but hasn't reached it yet. This is a moment not to miss. I'm investing $353 in an upward trade. expecting a confident price increase. Is technical analysis complicated? Not with my robot. It takes all the data and turns it into actionable solutions. Just follow the signals and earn. Want to try it? The link is in the description. Is for you. Ready to take action. The price moved upward as expected. The trade brought in $678 in profit. That's the power of trusting proven tools. AUD-CAD. After reaching a historical high, this pair began a downtrend. The RSI indicator confirms this, showing a drop below the 70 mark. I'm investing $678 in a downward trade, confident the trend will continue. Looking for stability? Our web channel gives our access to accurate signals and expert support. Forget about guesswork and start using proven strategies. All you need to do is click the link in the description and start earning. The trend continued downward as forecasted. The trade ended successfully with a profit of $1,302. It was the perfect final to our session. This trading session once again proved that the RSI indicator is a powerful tool when used correctly. All trades were profitable, and the deposit grew by over 26 times. Want the same results? Join our community, where we share the best signals, strategies and tools for trading. All of this will help you confidently achieve your financial goals. Links are in the description. Don't miss out!